so by the end of this video, both of these trucks are going to look a whole lot different, and you're either going to love it or possibly hate it. So from the moment I posted that I got these Weld Cheyennes, a ton of y'all have been commenting saying you wanted to see them on Larry, because Larry's OG setup was just a leveling kit and 16 by 10s and 33-inch mud grabs. It was absolutely amazing. But now that we got an 8-inch lift on this thing, how will 16 by 12s and 33s look on it? Are we going to be rocking that like Cencal look? Or is it going to look appropriate? We'll have to see. I think it's going to look freaking sick. Now, I have absolutely loved these on Chomper. It is a little bit annoying to drive because it is so wide, and I really don't want to cut this truck up. So we're going to be putting the mud grabs back on it, which I am super excited because this is my favorite setup ever. I just love this setup. The LTZ reps, 35-inch mud grabs. It just looks so amazing. Rides amazing. I get to enjoy this truck to its fullest when it's on this setup. So super excited to get those back on. I've also got one more little mod I want to do to the truck before we swap these out. So I think it's going to look really good, at least with these wheels and tires on here. I think it's also going to look good with that. We'll have to see. So I honestly forgot that I got these badges a couple months ago until I was going through my Amazon list the other day. And I wish I hadn't of, because I should have put these on the day that I put the welds on, because this is a very 2500-ish look. And this is like an Allison badge, kind of similar, right? Now, I did want to put the Vortec Max badge on there because, I mean, it is a 5.3, but come on, we got the cam, we got the headers, we got them performance mods. But at the end of the day, it's not a 6-liter. It doesn't have that on the title. So I figured, you know what? We can't do that. We ain't going to play it off trying to be something it ain't. So we got this little badge. And I think it's going to look really good on these wheels. We'll see if it looks good on the mud grabs. If not, we'll take it off. But I'm going to go ahead and throw it on there, see what we think. Not usually a big badge guy, but I've been feeling put one on there. Now I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. Does that look good? Let's go to the other side. Y'all let me know. Let me know. I don't know. We'll leave it on there for a bit at least, but it's a nice little subtle touch. Let me quit moving all over the place. What y'all think? 5.3 Vortec? I don't know. Let me know. Either way, it is time to start the swapping. So first of all, let's get the mud grabs on Chomper. Get these welds off. Floppy handle. I'm just waiting for the day for it to explode. I already know how mad it's going to make me when it does break and all my tools fall on the floor, but I'm still carrying it like that for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I'm self-sabotaging. The mud grabs are going on Larry soon, but I want to wait for the upper control arms because these are going to look amazing on Larry. I already know. And so we want to have them on there for more than just one video. So have my fun with them on here for a couple weeks. Hopefully those upper control arms will come in soon. And then we'll get the mud grabs on Larry Bear. Boom. Let's take a step back. Take a gander. Oh my gosh, yes. I love the stance, I love the welds, but you can't beat mud grabs. Right there it is. You can't beat mud grabs, period. Oh, we can take spacers off too, duh. All right, guys, so I'm going to swap the other one, finish tightening all of these up, and we're taking Chomper to lunch. And then we're gonna come back, we're gonna get you sitting right, Larry. Well, hot bro, for lunch? I think so. So I was gonna come over here and finish my lunch up, get a good look at our badges. I think it looks good. Look at this freaking thing. I don't know what's going on with it. I saw it earlier, and it was at the boat launch. I don't know if they had to make some kind of emergency landing or if they're just, you know, taking a little lunch break. I don't know. I'm not gonna get too close to it. It's an airplane, of course. This is crazy. 400 series, waterwings.com. Probably got a camera watching me right now, so. That's wild though. Super Petrol LS. I got an LS too, bruh. You know what I'm saying, bruh? It's right over there. It's right over there, bruh. Yeah. This thing's sick. It's gotta be terrifying. Anyways, figured I'd show y'all this. This is wild. Yes, of course, if you're new here, we do have 6 lug adapters. 5 lug Ford to 6 lug Chevy, Toyota, whatever else. Titan. Oh, she's running away now. Alright. Moment of truth. It is amazing how light these things are. I know, small wheel, but they're still crazy light compared to what I'm used to fighting with. Oh yeah, we clear. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, yeah, it's gonna be love-hate. Y'all gonna love it, you gonna hate it. Ain't no way around it. 2-inch wheel spacers going back on. Make it equal with the front. Alright, I gotta find some more lug nuts because I've misplaced them apparently. But, dude, she's looking thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this finished up. I'll give the truck a wash and we'll do a little reveal, see what Larry looks like on the 16x12 and 33s. All right, guys, well, here it is. Drop a comment and let me know what you think about it before I give my opinion. We'll walk around. She's sitting wide. Definitely sitting freaking wide. So, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not crazy about it. I'm not crazy about it. It looks really sweet from the side. The wheels, I think they look very cool. Maybe, I think it's just the tires throwing it off. Larry's too big. If it was lower, it would look better, but then it would extremely rub because it still at full lock rubs the freaking fender. Which is crazy. 12 wides with a 2-inch spacer, even on just 33s. But yeah, oh man, that right there, that looks freaking sweet. But I don't know, y'all comment down below. You rocking with the welds on Lair Bear? I think if it had boggers or SSRs, I think that's what's throwing us off. It's just not the super aggressive look that I have pictured in my head with these tires. They're just not gonna be able to live up to that. So, and good gosh, Larry, your frame. It's horrible. I know it's not honestly horrible. It's surface rust. The whole thing is not like it's structurally sound, but golly, we gotta get that freaking painted ASAP. But yeah, this might be the nail in the coffin for the welds as far as my ownership with them. I'm thinking we are gonna say goodbye to them. Because I'm not gonna drop $2,000 on a set of boggers and then possibly not still love them, which sucks. But Chomper looks great back on the mud grabs. I do actually like the badge, and I totally forgot, it's like a double badge thing. So we put that one on Chomper, and I took these off the red truck a while back. Did you say Triton V8? I think this is just the 4.6 trucks that came with these. It was right underneath here, but I thought about taking this off because I'm sure there's a hole. Hopefully it's not longer than that. I don't know, the Triton V8 badge on here, and then we got the 5.3 Vortec on Chomper. I'm undecided on these, so save that for another video. Y'all let me know, though. Should we throw those babies on? And if so, where? But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm torn. Maybe it's just because I'm out here in the field. Maybe it looks better on concrete. I haven't stopped in the parking lot or anything yet, so maybe I'll drive and do that. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It just treats me wrong. I really thought I was gonna like it a lot. I loved the 16 by 10s and mud graps on here. Of course, that was mud graps, not Mastercraft. So that's probably the reason why. I don't know. I just don't really go for the wide, small tire, at least not, you know, not a super, super aggressive one. It looks better from this backwards angle, but still, not really feeling it. So anyways, y'all comment down below. Let me know, should we bite the bullet, get new tires, some boggers, some mud graps, some X-Comps, some TSLs? I don't really know. I mean, we could definitely go the cheaper route than doing boggers, but this ain't it. This ain't it to me. I was thinking maybe it's because I was just pointing them straight for some weird reason, but turning it doesn't help. It's just not it. It's just not it. Lair Bear does not rock the small wheel anymore, or at least not with the Mastercrafts. Well, when my GoPro or my iPhone runs out of storage, I usually take that as a sign of I've rambled enough, and that just happened. So I think I've rambled on enough. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one.